Hey, Quinn here with Marq, and in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use our free Facebook cover maker in just 3 easy steps. Step 1, go ahead and select Start Designing from the Facebook cover maker page. Or you can select Sign Up Free up here in the navigation bar anywhere on the site. If you haven't already, this is going to prompt you to create a free account with Marq. After completing those steps, you'll land on the logged in homepage of Marq. Step 2, you have a couple options. You can go ahead and select New Project in the top right-hand corner, and then Blank Project to start from scratch. Or, for the example today, we're going to come up here and search templates for Facebook cover. Then we're going to go ahead and select one that we like. In this case, I like this first one. I'm going to double-click it and select Create Document. I'm going to give it just a couple seconds to load. And just like that, I now have a beautiful Facebook cover to start with and react to. Which brings us to step 3, the fun part, Start Designing. You can make changes to all the elements from text, colors, images, shapes, and much more. Whether you're doing this for a personal Facebook cover or a business Facebook cover, those are some pretty easy steps. Let me show you what I mean. Let's come in here and do a search for a different image. In this case, we want it to be for a chiropractor. And I'm going to grab this stock image here and hover over, and it will resize. Now I'm going to come up here and select Crop and Mask just to realign where I want that picture to show. And we're going to center them in here, and then I'm going to hit Enter. And now, because it's a lighter background, I'm going to go ahead and select both of these elements, and I've got to change their color and their respective locations to the text. And then I'm also coming up here to the element. And now we've got black on a lighter background. And then I can double click here on my text, and we'll say in here, the best chiro to represent our brand. And just like that, in 3 easy steps, you were able to create a beautiful Facebook cover without having to have much technical knowledge. Go ahead and like and subscribe to stay up on all the latest videos where we show you how to compound these tools to get the most out of Marq. For example, collaboration with your teams, making your own personal brand templates and locking in elements of those, ultimately enabling your brand to do so much more. Thanks.